Today we're going to show you about some of the Grace frames and Grace machines. This right here is Grace's newest frame that they've come out with. It's called the Grace Cutie. What's going to be unique about this frame is that you can put any domestic machine that you already own on it and still be able to quilt up to a king size quilt, all with just a 4-foot footprint. So if you don't have the space in your house for a big frame, or you just don't have the dedicated space to where you could leave it set up all the time, this one is great because when you're done, you can take your machine off of it, slide it under a bed, put it in a closet, get it out of your way. The way that the Cutie frame works is you hoop your quilt. We've got this section right here. We'll go ahead and quilt this. Once we're done, we'll take all of these clamps off, move the quilt either up, down, left, or right to our new section. Do that one. So you're able to do whatever size quilt you want, just one section at a time. Now on our Cutie frame, we've got the Juki TL2010 set up on it, but it will work with any domestic machine you already have. And if your machine is compatible with the Sure Stitch Elite Stitch Regulator, it's going to regulate your stitches just like a long arm machine would. It'll be just as accurate and just as smooth. The Sure Stitch Elite Stitch Regulator is going to be compatible with most modern digital machines. If you don't know if your machine will work for it, just give us a call here at Ken's and we can help you find that out. The Cutie frame does not have legs with it. You can set it up on any table that you already have. As long as you've got a 4-foot table, you can set this quilt frame up in your house. The Cutie frame is also going to be compatible with any of the Grace long arm machines up to 19 inches. So you're not limited to just a small domestic machine on this frame. You can use a long arm on it if you work your way up to that. And here at Ken's Sewing Center, we have got 4 factory trained technicians. We can help you out with the assembly of your frame over the phone, learning how to use it. Any type of questions you have, all you have to do is call us at Ken's and we're going to be able to help you out. We're always just a phone call away.